Hello everyone, welcome to the session of digital marketing. Let me quickly introduce myself. I am Ritu Shah from Uplatas. Today we are going to have a look is what is SEO, why we need SEO, and what are the different type of SEO, and why we are using the SEO in our business. Okay, we have to understand the each and every concept of the SEO. We just know the full form of the SEO means the search engine optimization. It is not enough. Why we are using the SEO in our business as well as if we build any website, so we have to optimize our website using the different type of the SEO technique. Okay, now welcome to the world of the search engine optimization. This course is first within the SEO specialization, and it is intended to give you a taste of SEO. Now today, which different type of content we will include in this presentations? There are the four type of the different topics. What is SEO? Why it is important? And different types of results and organic versus paid result. Okay? Yeah. Now I will explain you the simple definitions of what is SEO. We even wonder how major search engines such as the Google, Bing, Yahoo rank your website within their searches, or how content such as a video or local listing are shown and ranked based on what the search engine consider the most relevant to user. You know the latest statistics of the 2020. There are the 2 billion people online, and 93% of the online activity start on the search engine, and mostly the 40,000 searches every second and 3.5 billion searches per day. There are the millions of opportunities for your business to become found on search engine. One of the most important benefits of SEO is that your customer are using the search engine daily. If you want to find the simple thing in on Google, if I want to buy the best jeans, so what should I will use? The first type the my basic keyword in Google, like the blue jeans, buy the blue jeans. Okay, the different type of the search results display on the search engine result pages in Google. Okay, actually, SEO is a practice of the increasing the quality and quantity of traffic to your website through the organic search engine results. There are the different two type of the result, organic as well as the paid result. Okay, and it actually is the process of the go through to help make sure that your site rank high in the search engine for the particular keyword and phrases. Okay, and you are aware of the actually what is our the targeted customer, what the customers exactly looking for the keywords. So if you know your customer, you will do definitely the perfectly optimization of your website. Okay, and if you done the right SEO, you can pull your the website on the first page from that moment, and you will have a lot to gain from. That means traffic too. It can pull out the qualified traffic. It turns out the search engine drive the 300% more traffic to site than social media. Okay, now I will tell you why any business need SEO. Why? Do you have the answer of these questions? In today's world, if you are the small business or large business, you need a SEO. Why? Because people trust Google, customer trust Google, okay, and they use it every day to find what they are looking for. And if you are ranking high on search engine, your business will build trust and credibility with your audience. In fact, 37 almost 37% of search engine clicks are on the first organic listing. And SEO is empower a business to rank higher in the search engine result, which help in reaching a wider audience. If business can learn to rank their website on Google, they can literally expect a million of visitors to their website with millions of opportunity to get leads and sales. Okay, if your website is related to jewelry and your site is a first in Google, then definitely you will get the millions of clicks, leads, and as well as increasing your sales. So that's why SEO is required for any type of business. Okay. And which type of task included in SEO? It includes the creative, the high quality content. High quality content means what? If your site related to jewelry, so you have to use the keywords in your content. If your keywords, if your content is not related to keyword, then definitely Google will ban your websites, and you will, or your website, it will not visible in Google. So definitely content is very important in search engine optimization. Without content, your site is not getting the first position in Google. Okay, so whenever you build a website, you need to create the high quality content, optimization the content around the specific keywords and key phrase, and building the backlinks. The main benefit of ranking for a specific keyword is that you get the free traffic to your site month after month. Okay, good. Now I will explain you why it is important. If someone told you, okay, why are you doing the SEO for your website? What is the importance of SEO? So you must know about the importance of SEO. It is not it is not only about the search engine, but good SEO practice improve the user experience and usability of a website. Users trust search engines, and having a present in the top positions for the particular keywords the user and customer is searching increases the website trust. It increases the website position on search engine result pages such as the Yahoo, Bing, Google, different type of the search engine. Yeah. And what is the main goal of SEO in your business? The main goal of is an experienced SEO to establish a strong foundation for a beautiful website, user-friendly website with a clean, effective user experience that is easily discoverable in search with thanks to trust and credibility of the brand, its digital property. If you provide the valuable informations and informative information, make it easy for search engine to find, organize it, they will reward you with higher rankings. This increased exposure means more visitor, more customers to your pages, to your website, especially when your audience customer wants what you have, what exact requirement of your customer. And the SEO is a great tool for targeting for your business. Now, according to the SEO Moves website, it's very popular website for the search engine related the news. According to this websites, 100 billion searches every month. How many? 100 billion searches every month. Okay. Now I will explain you the different type of the search engine result. There are the different two type of the results, organic versus the paid result. Now, what is the organic result? Organic means free result, and paid means it's a Google ad. We have to pay something Google, and Google display your website on the top positions in paid listing. Okay, these all are the paid listing, and these are the organic listing. Organic means what? Organic search traffic comes from the people finding business link among the search engine result, and the paid search traffic is attributed from visitors clicking on link in advertisement or sponsor listing that a business has paid for in order to appear at the top of the search result. And paid search focus on paid rankings. With organic search, company use the SEO to optimize their site visibility or rankings in search results. In comparison, paid search allow user to pay for the prominent spot in search result. And organic listing on a search engine result pages that appear because of the factors such as the valid search engine optimization algorithm, valid SEO efforts rather than the search engine marketing or trickery. And organic listing is or traffic and listing is very important because it is targeted. Users are visiting your website from a search engine organic result that have the specific intent, and if you can provide them with a solution or answer to their question, they are more likely to convert. You can you can see the screenshot of the paid listing and organic listing. Paid listing look like this, and this is the organic listing. When relevant and high quality content in your website, organic SEO will generate the more clicks. If if your website has a proper optimization, if you have follow the proper SEO algorithm, and you have the huge quality backlinks as well as the quality content, quality keywords, then definitely organic SEO will generate the more clicks. If users read the useful content and it solve their problem and answer their questions, it builds generate trust among user. Organic SEO provide the lasting and more stable result. So don't neglect it. And organic SEO receive the 90% of clicks. Many users of search engine skip the paid advertisement. Sometimes what happen, if we search anything Google, then we can skip the advertisement. We don't want to watch that advertisement. So most of the 90% clicks we are getting from the organic listing. This is most likely due to their trust in Google algorithm. By investing in SEO, you will likely to gain more traffic than the advertise on the same keywords. Okay, thank you. And in the next session, we will cover the what is a keyword, what is a search term, what is the search engine result pages, and how Google index your websites in search engine result pages. Okay, thank you.